This 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 18 RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.